Hello everybody, this is Ariane Arsenault from La Fille de la Mer, and it is fall, it is the cold season starting, and I decided that it was time that I restock my body balms. However, I've been making the body balms with beeswax for several years, maybe over 10 years, using my beekeeper's local beeswax. This year was not a good season for beekeeping, so I was not able to have any of the local wax that I love and adore and usually use. So I decided to turn to vegetable waxes and create these wonderful moisturizing body balms. These are two of the ones that I've created and that I've been testing over the past weeks. And I'm using sunflower wax, candelilla wax, and berry fruit wax. So not all of them contain all of these waxes, but I play with these waxes to give a texture that's really similar to a balm made with beeswax. They're super moisturizing. I love the feeling. And today I'm gonna be making one with a homegrown calendula oil infusion. We always have some running, so here's my calendula oil infusion. These are flowers from the garden. In these two, so this one is a wild rose jojoba oil infusion with bakuri butter from Paris Fragrance USA and daikon seed oil or daikon seed extract from Mist Oils. This one is made with a nettle that's also locally grown. It's a nettle infusion in olive oil, and it contains acai berry oil. This is why it's a little greenish. It's not green on the skin though. And also daikon seed extract, as it gives a really nice feeling on the skin. I just love it for any oil, balm, or any like topical application. It feels just amazing. So let's hop behind the table and take a closer look at the ones that I'm gonna be making today with calendula oil. These are the vegetable waxes that we're gonna be using today. So this one here is the sunflower seed wax, and this one is the berry wax, and both of these I got from Cosmatik, and I will add them to my stock pot, and then with my oils and butters I will melt them gently in a double boiler. I have some melted down shea butter that just melted in there a couple minutes ago. This is my calendula oil infusion, daikon seed extract, vitamin E, and sesame oil. All of these are very moisturizing and nourishing and very gentle and soothing to the skin. And in addition, I'm gonna be adding a little bit of calendula CO2 extract for more gentle and softness to this body balm. While my oils, butters, and waxes are melting, what I do is that I'm just gonna use a medical wipe, spray it with rubbing alcohol, and just clean the inside of my jars. This is just about done. There are still a little few pieces of wax left. I turned off the heat. The residual heat will melt down whatever is left in there. And then I will remove it from the heat and add my vitamin E that I get from Plant Power, and also the calendula CO2 extract. My two other body balms have essential oils in them, making them have an additional aroma. This one is, I guess I would say, a little bit more plain, but because of the unrefined shea butter, the calendula extract, it does have a very nice, mild, and pleasant scent, but it's not scented in any way. And it is now nice and warm and ready to pour. And I do this on a small precision scale to make sure that each container has their 70 grams. I always formulate my new batches to have an extra jar that may not be completely full, but that's okay because this one will be our store demo, as we always like for people to be able to take a little spatula and test the products before they purchase. The balms have cooled down. They are now ready to cap and label, but I just wanted to show you application on my skin. So it really melts easily on contact with the skin. It's very, very soft, very smooth, very moisturizing. So this is perfect for fall and winter. You know, it's dry skin season, so you can get these online in my web store or in my shop if you're by the Magdalen Islands. Our labels are printed on a craft biodegradable and compostable paper, and we just place a seal so that the jars cannot be opened, and then it's a simple wraparound label just like this. And we have these other labels that we place underneath each jar, and they say that the product is vegan, compostable packaging, and 100% plant-based. So these fit right nice and neat under here, and the expiration date is also on the bottom. Here they are, our luxurious and super moisturizing body balms made with vegetable waxes, sunflower waxes, and berry wax. If you want information on any of the ingredients that I've used during this video, they're all listed below in the description box. If you are a crafter, I will be having a tutorial and full recipe for a vegan plant-based body balm on my Patreon campaign. So it's $3 a month for a full recipe and tutorial. So this will be for next month, November. And if you would like to purchase these, well, of course, they will be available on my website and in store here. So come take a look, lafilledelamer.com. And by the way, the formula that will be on Patreon will not be this exact formula. It will be like a customizable formula so that I will give you the basis so that you can create your own blend with your own herbal infusion and your oils and butters of choice. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I will see you guys very soon.